In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can practice flying jets and helicopters the easy way here in Battlefield 6. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Let's get into this. The first thing that you are going to want to do is from the main menu of Battlefield 6, go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom where this community tab is right here and choose the search experiences tab right here. Now what I recommend doing is either typing in helicopter or jets in the search experiences tab right here, and you're going to see a bunch of training maps like helicopter practice or jet training. It's really up to you what you go ahead and choose. In this case, let's go ahead and say that I want to do this jets and helis custom training. Once you do get on this page right here and you select whatever experience you would like, you can either join a server that's already running or you can host it locally if you just want to fly by yourself without worrying about getting shot down. Select host, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select either host or host locally. I'm just going to choose host locally for this example. Once you do get loaded in, and trust me, it might take a minute the first time you do get loaded in, you're going to want to go ahead and deploy. And if you don't get put in a jet immediately, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is simply just go ahead and just pause again or hit the option section and hit redeploy again. This is pretty much going to just restart you and respawn you back in this section, and you're going to want to keep doing this until you have the option to spawn in a jet or in a helicopter. You just essentially need to keep doing this until you respawn in that HQ. And trust me, it might take a minute, but once you do get in it, it'll be completely worth it. Doing this is a great way though to get comfortable with flying and flight controls before jumping into an actual game, which is why this is so worth doing, I would say. I also recommend going into your settings and then going specifically into those controller settings over here, and then hitting edit settings and then finding the helicopter settings down. If you scroll down a little bit, specifically the control settings, and just turning on helicopter control assist, just because it'll help you out a little bit easier and make it a little bit easier to fly. But if this video did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.